The sky is blue. The sky has a blue hue. We are watching a movie. We are enjoying a film screening. I like ice cream. I enjoy ice cream. She is reading a novel carefully. She is perusing a novel. The baby is sleeping for a short time. The baby is taking a nap. He is watching TV. He is viewing a TV program. The flower smells good. The flower has a pleasant aroma. The water is wet. The water possesses a refreshing wetness. The sun is setting. The sun is descending below the horizon. The flower smells good. The flower has a pleasant aroma. She is cooking dinner. She is preparing a meal. She is swimming. She is taking a dip. He is writing a letter. He is composing a letter.